Hi there, I'm back with another new video today, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the KYC setup, right? My previous video, which I explained how the Spenda platform works and everything you need to know, I wasn't really able to perform the KYC, which you can see right here, right? You can actually access it from this very section right here, right? Now, I wasn't really able to perform this because my details was not available that very day, so I had to postpone this, right? But I made you guys a promise that I'm going to create a video for this, and this is me fulfilling that very promise. So the KYC verification process is very simple, and I'm just doing it for people who are not that tech savvy, but this is a very straightforward process, right? You just have to come over to the KYC right now, and then you fill in your details, and the details you're going to be filling in right here, the requested document is your BVN. As you can see, there is no drop down arrow right here. So for those of you that are asking, can I use my name, can I use my national ID, can I use my passport and stuff like that, I just want to know it's not possible from what I'm seeing here. So the only thing available is your BVN. It's only possible when it's a drop down arrow right here, right? Just like you can see right here for Nigeria, right? It's displaying Nigeria because by default my location or my IP address says I'm from Nigeria. So you can see the drop down arrow right here. So if you're from other countries, you'll be able to type that in here. Let me say you're from Ghana, you just type in GANA, but this very service is only available to Nigerians. That's why you see Nigeria here. So we're going to enter our BVN right now. Enough of the long talk, let's get it going. So I'm going to enter my BVN right now, and then I'm going to click on continue. So after filling in your information, the next thing you're meant to do is to click on continue. But if you look down here, you're going to see this very message that says identity verification is powered by Smile ID to keep your experience safe and secure. So let's click on continue right now, and this is going to take us to the next page, which would ask us to take a selfie. So before you take this very selfie, make sure that you have good lighting. While taking the selfie, make sure the area or surrounding is clear, and make sure that you remove any obstruction, right? Don't stay in a dirty environment. You can just step out and do it if your house is not that good. You just want to stay on a plain wall and try this out, right? Your face has to be clear. You have to do this with daylight, not in the night, right? But if you're doing this in the night, you have to make sure your face appears really clear, right? No light, no flares or whatever. So this is what you need to know. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue right now, and then perform the KYC process and tell you how it went and what you need to do to perform yours too. So after you're done with the selfie capture process, the next thing you're meant to do is to click on the continue button you see right here, and this is going to say processing your selfie and ID, and just a few more seconds. And once this is done processing, this is going to say submission complete. You may now proceed. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue right now, and you can see the next thing you see right here is make a deposit. Make your first crypto deposit to start spending now. So they're now encouraging you to deposit, meaning that you have successfully done your KYC. And if I cancel this right now, you're going to see that for KYC right here, if we click on it right now, you can see that KYC is complete and your account is now verified. So you can just go ahead and click on I understand, and you're going to receive this very email that says your Spenda account has been verified. Enjoy increased transaction limits and many more unique perks. So this is it. If we go back to the Spenda app right now, everything is all set, and you can now go ahead and deposit on this very platform, carry out your transaction and transfer to your bank account, or go ahead and get your visual USD card or whatever you want to do with this very app, right? There's a lot you can do. So this is it for this very video. Do well to hit that like button, drop a beautiful comment, or drop any question you have in the comment section, right? If this is your first time and you want video tutorials about Spenda, you want to get updated, then subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, because I'll be creating videos about Spenda as time goes on. So this is it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.